Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out. Thank you so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we're going to be using Square Up Nails by the brand NKK. It's kind of like one of those TikTok viral brands that I saw. It's a small business, so I definitely recommend checking out her stuff and supporting. It's called Nails Cat on Instagram, and it's instead of a cat with a C, it's a K. Nails Cat, and a Z instead of a S for nails. So I definitely recommend. I'll leave the links and everything below. So these are extremely long. These are like XXL length nails. We're not going to be using this long of a length. We're going to cut them down a little bit, not too far, but we are going to be cutting them down to our size liking. And to do that, I'm going to go in with this tool that I purchased off of Amazon. So this is just a nail cutter that makes sure when you cut your nail, it's all the same size. Before, the video started, it actually broke for me. So I had to, it cut, but like not all the way. So I just had to go in and finish cutting it off with a regular nail cutter. But I recommend it. I've had that nail cutter for like 2 years now, so it did me good, and it was cheap off of Amazon. So I definitely recommend giving it a try. If you guys don't know, I do have an Amazon storefront where I show everything that I find off of Amazon on there. So if you guys want to check it out, that'll be on there along with a lot of my other favorites. And I actually am in the beauty program, so I do have the discount code. And I will make sure to leave that leaved. I think it automatically does it when you click on the links. I'm not sure. I'll have more details in the next video. But for Polygel, we're going to be using a Beetles Polygel. It looks purple on the color, but it's actually the most beautiful, like bubblegum kind of pink. So I'm going to be using that for today's nails. And as always, I'm going to be using some alcohol for my slip solution. So all I'm doing is going in with my Polygel and patting it in these full nail covers. These are not soft gel, by the way. These are just ABS plastic. So if you are going to use these, I recommend going in and scratching up the inside of them first. I didn't do that in this video, but I got lucky. I honestly forgot because you guys know I sell soft gel full nail covers, so I'm used to like skipping that step now. But you definitely want to do that for these. I did have one pop off, but I got pretty lucky. All of mine stayed on. So these full nail covers are pretty good, but just remember that these are not gel. They're plastic. So you definitely want to scratch up the insides of them first. So yeah, I'm just going to go in and apply my nails, and then I'll be back so we can talk about the design. Oh, by the way, I know I mentioned it in my prior videos, but this nail lamp from MelodySusie is freaking amazing, and I have a discount code for MelodySusie. I have one for both of them, but this nail lamp is amazing. I love it. It's a 2-in-1, so it has a place for you to put your drill bit, and it's a nail lamp. Are you me? Like, perfect. I love it. So I'm just gonna go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, and I'm gonna wipe down my nails. And I'm really wiping them down to make sure I get all of the polygel and gunk off of them. And you wanna make sure you do this before filing and drilling because polygel does have a little bit of a sticky residue. So here's the nail drill. I just freaking love this thing. It makes life so much easier, and it freed up so much space on my desk because I had a big lamp and then I had my big e-file, and now it's just all in one. Whoever thought of this, genius. But I'm gonna go in now and I'm just gonna start, drilling away. I'm using a ball point cuticle bit, and this is to clean up my cuticles. And you'll see I'm just gonna switch out a whole bunch of different bits for these nails. Because I really wanted these nails to be flushed. I actually applied these to my nails, like for real. You guys know in videos I used to peel off base coats, but these was my nails for a little bit, and I love them. They were super cute. But here I'm going in with just I don't know what type of, I'm lying if I told y'all I knew what bits were called. I'm going on with the bit that looks straight. How about that? And I'm gonna go in and just do some more work to my cuticles. Now I'm gonna go in and actually shape my nails with my e-file. I use an 8080 grit e-file, also linked in my Amazon storefront. I only use 8080 grit. But for my top coat, I'm gonna go in with another product by NKK. This is her subtle glitter top coat. I know I say it in every video that I'm gonna link it down below, and I never do. Well, that's because I honestly forget. And if I forget to link it this time in the video, just go to her page, y'all. I told you, it's NKK, Nails Cat Cat. Nails with a Z, Cat Cat with K's instead of a C, with K's instead of a C. And you'll find it there. It's the most beautiful top coat. I honestly love it. It's honestly, I think this is my favorite purchase from her brand because it's beautiful. It's like a top coat and you really can't see the glitter until you move your nails a little bit, and it's so subtle. It's insane. It's sickening. I love it. So I'm just gonna go in and top off my nails. So for my clear nail, as you can see, I'm gonna go in and top the underneath of it as well. So for my rhinestone adhesion, I'm gonna be using this nail glue by Beetles, and this is honestly one of the best nail glues I've come across. Like, I've had full-on stones. This is a different nail set I'm looking at on my nails right now. Every nail has stones on them, and they've been on for over 2 weeks, and I only had one stone fall off out of, I can't even tell you how many stones I have on my fingers. You'll see that video soon. Oh my god, those nails are stunning. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. And I'm gonna go in with this wax tip applicator and these pearls that I also purchased off of Amazon, all linked in my Amazon storefront. But I'm just gonna go in and do my designs. Nothing too much to it. I honestly do want to get a nail glue that has like a precision tip. You know what I mean? Because I need that. Sometimes I need it to be like spot on. I don't need it to be so big. That's the only thing I would say, is that I need to find one like that. But in the meantime, this one by Beetles definitely works, and it definitely gets the job done. So unfortunately, I accidentally lost the footage to where I showed me applying my cuticle oil and then the final results. So here are some pictures coming up. So I'm so sorry about that. Still a bomb video, y'all. I just don't have the cuticle oil. But you guys know I use my cuticle oil on my Etsy shop. Everything for my Etsy shop is linked down below. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. And thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I know I haven't been on in a minute, but I will be back soon. I'm currently in transitioning jobs right now, so I'll be back soon. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.